Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to bake this tasty banana bread without an oven or air fryer. We will be baking this banana bread in an Asanka, also known as earthenware pot. It is a Ghanaian grinding pot that is made of clay. So let's get started. Pour your mashed bananas into your blender. Next, add some chopped coconuts, some vanilla essence, and blend. I already have detailed tutorials on how to make banana bread on my channel. You can check out these videos. In a bowl, pour in some flour, cinnamon, pinch of salt, nutmeg, baking powder, and baking soda. Stir the mixture to combine all the dry ingredients. I'd like to thank my returning subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing the videos. You guys are amazing. Next, pour the blended mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir everything until well combined. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Next, transfer the batter into a greased loaf pan. Sprinkle some chopped nuts on top. And set aside. Next, we will bake in a preheated Asanka. You do this by placing the Asanka on the stove and covering it with another Asanka until it's hot. After preheating, place your pan in there and cover with the second Asanka. All this should be done on the stove. Bake on medium-low heat for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted. After about an hour, our no-oven banana bread is ready, and it came out so well. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this method of baking without an oven. If you don't have an Asanka and you still want to try the no oven baking method, check out the salt method here. If you enjoyed this video, watch the Ghanaian recipes playlist next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.